Hi, I'm Keith with Solutions Pest and Lawn. In this video, we'll talk about this product. We're going to cover what it is used for, how to get started, where and when to apply, drawbacks, and the different considerations before choosing this chemical. Solutions Pest and Lawn is a small family-owned business that relies on people like you to succeed. Our goal is to teach you how to treat your pest problems. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or visit one of our stores and we can help you out.
Flex 1010 is a permethrin and PBO emulsifiable concentrate insecticide. This product is a synthetic pyrethroid that works by interfering with the insect's nervous system. Flex 1010 can be used indoors and outdoors to control many different species of insects, but this is our go-to product for controlling bedbugs inside and mosquitoes outside. Before using Flex 1010, be sure to wear proper personal protective equipment, or PPE. You can mix Flex 1010 at a varying rate depending on the level of infestation and your targeted pest. Always follow label directions for proper mix rate and do not over-apply. Overuse of the product could decrease its effectiveness. Flex 1010 comes in an easy-to-use tip and measure bottle. Make sure both caps are tight and tip the bottle over. Use the slanted lines and tip the bottle back until you have the required amount. Add half of the water to your sprayer and then add the chemical. Add the rest of the water and agitate your sprayer and you're ready to apply. Flex 1010 can be used indoors as a broadcast spray in bedrooms, but it can also be used on mattresses, box springs, along baseboards, around windows, around doors, in storage closets, and in cracks and crevices. Outside, Flex 1010 can be used as a broadcast spray over your lawn and ornamentals. It can also be used as a barrier spray around structures, including around windows, around doors, along your eaves, and any other entry points such as weep holes and where electrical and plumbing penetrate the walls. You can apply Flex 1010 with either a pump sprayer, a hose end sprayer, a backpack sprayer, fogging and misting systems, or a spray rig for large volume application. Apply Flex 1010 during calm days where rain is not in the immediate forecast, and keep all pets and people off the treated areas until they're dry. Flex 1010 has a residual of up to 30 days. We typically recommend spraying monthly for preventative control. Flex 1010 is not an instant kill. Usually it can take up to a few hours for the pest to die. Depending on the target pest life cycle, you may need to reapply in 14 to 21 days. Most active infestations cannot be controlled through the use of one product. Typically, you'll also need an insect growth regulator and bait or dust for complete control. For each insect, we've come up with a treatment method that we guarantee 100% to work. Click the card in the top right to get more information. Because Flex 1010 is an oil-based emulsifiable concentrate, it will have an odor, it can potentially stain vinyl surfaces, it can burn vegetation if sprayed when temperatures are over 95 degrees, and it does not work well on porous surfaces such as brick or raw wood. If any of these are a concern, check out Reclaim IT for outdoor use and Novicide aerosol for indoor use. Reclaim IT can be used outdoors as a broadcast spray or a barrier spray around structures. Novicide can be broadcast sprayed around your home, and it has an insect growth regulator in the formula. This means it will kill adult pests and stop the younger pests from maturing.
Solutions Pest and Lawn is a small family-owned business that relies on people like you to succeed. Our goal is to teach you how to treat your pest problems. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or visit one of our stores and we can help you out.